Palm wine, a sweet, frothy drink drawn straight from nature's own reserve. Across many African communities, it is more than just a drink. It is culture, tradition, and livelihood. But behind every calabash of palm wine is the age-old craft of tapping. Today, we take you step by step into the process of tapping palm wine, and explore innovations that could transform this ancient practice for future generations. The journey begins with the palm tree, usually raffia palm, oil palm, or date palm. Not every palm is suitable, and the tapper must have the experience to select a mature and healthy tree.
3 or 4 years, over in Donala. In a chiche bottom of gallon age, a cotanqua, nigga guala, comike balance out with Unqua, do to not do better. From there, maybe the Kawaya, Bago, we can Bago. Omen can a banco, man can have banco, both also in the Tanqua behind Cajon. Man and Cajon are Baquanco, I'm at Aquanqua. Mana a make in form of Igia conquil. So, Cobbler and a conquil, and I have happy overway Ishiapo.
Step 1 is preparation. The tapper clears the base to ensure safety and ties his climbing rope securely. The rope serves as support as he ascends to the crown of the tree, a skill passed from generation to generation. At the top, the tapper identifies the flower stalk, also known as the spadix. With precision, he trims and wounds it to encourage the flow of sap. This is where palm wine begins.
Over a man in a ball, Umuch. Some man who can a one. Then a wire, only her upi. You have a chara. And a giacharaho. Well, warrior carjo. So the thing a make a hood when a chara. Then it doesn't you would face here no about Hippo Pronquilla. Feast here there, normally here, another 2. And a job up opia. Then you will so sugar do your nail. Osha baby get kizzy the gallon or bottle, iji chedo, iji che maya. So before now, I'll buy 1 gallon.
Step 2 is collection. A container is fastened just below the cut to catch the dripping sap. Over hours, the liquid flows, fermenting naturally into palm wine. Each evening or morning, the tapper climbs again, trimming the spadix slightly to keep the flow alive. This routine continues daily for weeks. Once harvested, the wine must be consumed or sold quickly. Within hours, it turns from sweet to sour as fermentation intensifies. Customers love it fresh. By tomorrow, it's already too sharp for drinking.
In the village, I'm much a hebrew fridge. The heckota and I like to have more that demo the following day. Macon no 2 days, no, oh, maybe. On a bazia banon, you know, I get Pia Canishuk bar. So now he was on Mobrun Quill. Then, go behind a tea in China, hitting Quill, and I hit tea, Mche. Oh, mobi tea in the fridge. It's in the fridge, all last. Anytime each of and he booked 10 with a hot pack.
Okay. Mana, Dika, how many days go with Rikin before Nkwaha?
Bobby meet here in the fridge, no highest 2 days. 1 or 2 days, no baka, no maybe. So now he was on. And it's here in the fridge, and Bobby like, and he booked the coin more.
I got the fresh man.
I got the fresh, with a hot.
But the art of palm wine tapping is not without challenges. The risks of falling, contamination, rapid spoilage, and inefficiency make it a demanding and often dangerous livelihood. Across Africa and beyond, ideas are emerging to improve palm wine tapping. Safety harnesses can reduce accidents. Hygienic collection jars can minimize contamination. Solar cooling systems can preserve palm wine longer, maintaining its freshness. Drip tapping technology, similar to irrigation systems, could allow sap collection without daily climbing. If we can innovate around preservation, maybe with mild pasteurization or refrigeration, palm wine could be packaged and exported worldwide. From the skilled hands of traditional tappers to the possibilities of modern science, palm wine remains a drink that connects people, culture, and nature. Preserving this craft while embracing innovation ensures that the story of palm wine continues, for today, and for generations to come. And to our viewers, if you have any modern idea or innovation to enhance palm wine tapping, please email us on this email address on the screen. Keep watching, keep drinking palm wine.